to the strangest thing I've done in a long time. I'm going to do a car haul. Now, my reasoning is this. I have my yarn in the car. The weather is awful and I live tiny. You'll be saying to yourself, why did you buy all this yarn if you live tiny? I know, it's just, the life struggles, I tell you. Anyway, so I bought from Temu. Why? So I was learning to crochet, and the crochet teacher was like, oh, you can get them from Temu. And I'm like, I'm not going to use Temu. And then my sister was like, oh, but Temu's great. And then I had a look on Temu, and then I was like, I'll give it a shot. But here's the thing. I wasn't expecting it to be like fast delivery, but now it was fast delivery. So it's actually all here. So I thought I'll go through what I got from Temu and what I think about it with my initial thoughts. Then depending on how my life goes, I will maybe make something with the yarn. Don't hold me to it, I might not. So the first thing I got was white yarn. Already I'm not liking the fact that everything's in its own individual plastic bag. And the plastic bags make annoying sounds. I get why they do it. Right, okay, so this is a white plush yarn. It's one of those ones that you use for crocheting cute little plushies. I got white, I got blue, I got pink, I got black. I've got a few of them. It actually feels okay. I don't know how it's going to knit. When I ordered yarn from AliExpress, which I might put up there or up there because I can't remember which way around things are going these days, I was really disappointed with the yarn from AliExpress. Like, it just split terribly. It was awful. It was not what was advertised. This isn't bad. I will have to look at the price and then work out whether or not I think it was a good deal. I'm not sure if it was a good deal, but it did arrive quickly. So I got white, popping that back in the bag. So it looks like I got white, blue, yeah, 3 whites, a pink. It is yarn. Tells us a lot. It doesn't have any gauge, it doesn't have any of that stuff. It is just yarn. So it looks like I got 3, make that 4. Okay, and just who knows how many balls I got of whatever, because I remember now I was doing lots of different things. This one's black, grey, beige, blue and black. So, you know, more black, more white. It looks like I can make a lot of penguins. Yellow. I think I was thinking bees. Now, they don't all feel to be the same thicknesses, but it could just be that they're at different parts of the bag and are more squished. I do have a lot of them. A whole lot. Now, this was what I was looking for on Temu because I couldn't find one anywhere else. How do I open it? Here we go. This is a granny square blocker. This has come with the pins. It's got a little stand, and yeah, I think it was about $30. This is the most expensive thing in the box, but it is wood and it will block my granny squares. I will give that a shot. I mean, as someone who's been crocheting for what, 2 months, do I need a granny square blocker necessarily? No, I probably don't need a granny square blocker necessarily, but I've ordered one. Get my bag back. What else did I get? Adjustable sock blockers. Now, I have sock blockers that my dad made for me, and these were adjustable, and I thought that's useful because I'm already making socks of sizes that aren't just my foot. What I will say, though, is the ones that my dad made me on his laser cutter are as thick or even thicker than 2 of these combined. So, sock blockers. I'll let you know how they go. They're quite narrow compared to the ones I have. These should be completely idiot-proof, I think. Yeah. Safety eyes and noses. They were very cheap. So that was exciting. What's this? I don't actually know what this is. What is this? I'm going to have to look up what this was. It's got like a pen nib, it's got a little brush thing, it's got a little soft bit, it's got a little case. I think this may have been an ear pod cleaner. No, that seems silly. I don't know what this is. I will just put it back in this little container and I will look it up, and when I edit this video I will pop it in the thing down below. Then this. Now this was labelled as cashmere yarn. I bought this because I don't believe it. There's a thread and a yarn, and I don't really know why it comes with both. It's a very small ball, so I think it was about $6, and it's a very small ball. From memory, I ordered about 6 of them because I thought I should order enough to make a top or something. Just order enough to make something, so then I can have a look at what it is. But I'm really not sure that it's going to be cashmere, because that's ridiculous. It is soft. It says it's 100% cashmere. I'm going to give it a go and see. I'm tempted to see if I can find some 100% cashmere elsewhere and compare it, but it says it, but I don't know whether or not it means it. This is another set of safety eyes, because evidently 2 sets was better than 1 set. That's the cashmere yarn. No, make that 3. To be fair, I have a funny feeling that I placed 2 orders and they may have combined them. If they combined them, that was very smart on their part. Right, this is also what I was looking at getting. It's a set of crochet hooks. It's all the sizes. They've got aluminium bits. They feel very much like plastic, but I think the ones I got over here from the warehouse were a very similar price and are of a better quality, but they'll work, they'll do the thing, they will crochet. So there's that. I bought a thing of swivels because my sister's doing a market, so I said that I would be interested in joining her for a market. Have I started making anything for said market? No, I haven't, but I clearly need to. Another set of safety eyes. And I think, yeah, other than the rest being, oh no, here we go. This is the last item. This is the last item. Now these are very useful. I don't like the plastic. Everything's in plastic. I really don't like plastic. I mean, we can now recycle soft plastics where I'm at, but yeah. So, this is a little set of what look like tiny crochet hooks, but they're on a key ring and they're designed for picking up your stitches when you're knitting. But why I got them is that they're small, and I now keep my crochet hooks in a different bag to my knitting. It's a problem, right? That I now have a crochet bag and a knitting basket, and I still have an overflow. Anyway, so that's everything I got from Temu. It actually looks all right. I mean, do I think I got a good deal is the next question I'm going to ask myself. I think I spent $200, which is a stupid amount of money. I am well aware I got quite carried away with the plush yarn. I need to compare the plush yarn with what I can get in New Zealand. As far as the safety eyes go, those were definitely a good deal. I cannot fault the price on those. I believe they were like sort of $6 to $10 for each of those packets. And there's heaps. I am not going to need another safety eye for as long as I live. It doesn't mean I won't buy more. Once I've tried the yarn, then I will know whether or not I got a good deal. I've probably spent about $100 on yarn and $100 on supplies. Thinking about the sock blockers and the granny square blocker. So, do I think I got a good deal? Do I have $100 worth of plush yarn there? I don't know. I'm going to have to find some yarn and compare it. But I'm relatively pleased with the price. Well, not the price. I'm relatively pleased with the quality of the product. I don't yet know how long all the balls are. It definitely seems like this random brand is longer than this brand of yarn. They're probably half the size of each other, and there's no way of knowing when you look at some of the listings on Temu as to how much yarn you're getting in each ball. So there's that. I'm now going to put those in my pocket because I'm afraid of losing them. Anyway, that was my what did I buy at Temu haul. And when I'm comparing Temu to AliExpress, Temu wins, like by a long shot. And like, I've got no time for Wish whatsoever, but Temu, I might have time for Temu. So that will be it. That will be it from me in my back of my car haul. I might sit here and do another haul because I did also get a bag of yarn from Hobie or Hobby, however you want to say their name, and I may as well do that at the same time. And then we've got a mini series of car hauls. That's what it can be. Yep. All right, take care. Happy knitting, and I'll see you next week. Bye.